Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you easy fix for default printer keeps changing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type on settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with clicking on open under the bus match and wait until a new window or wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. Once you are here, please proceed at the left side of that and look for an option called Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it and here go with printers and scanners and proceed with printer preferences. So here in the printer preferences, you need to turn off the Let Windows manage my default printer. Now, one of the factor why your default printer keeps on changing is that you have turned it on. So in order to stop that, you need to turn it off and close the window and navigate to the start icon, tap on it, and go with your power menu options and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, observe and check if your default printer is still changing automatically or keeps on changing. However, if yes, then however, if it's not being fixed, then we need to proceed to our second method. Our second method would be you need to navigate the same process, and that is to type on settings. Here, please proceed with the best match once again. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. Once you are here, please proceed at the left side of that. Go with the Bluetooth and devices and go with the printers and scanners. So tap on it and look for the installed printers here. These are the printers that you have installed or that you are being used or connecting to. You need to select the printer that you want to set as default with. So tap on it and you need to click on set default, and once you have clicked on set as default, the printer status will be in default. Once you're done, close the window and try to observe if your default printer is changing, keeps on changing. However, if it's not being fixed this time, we need to proceed to our third and last method. Our third and last method would be you need to press Windows and R key together, and in that moment, you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, you need to type for regedit. To open our registry editor, click on OK, and if your user would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to bring up the window. So here you need to look for HK underscore current underscore user and double tap that to expand. And this time on, you need to go with software. Again, look for current user, then go with software. Then double tap that to expand, and this time you need to look for Microsoft. Double tap once again and look for Windows NT. So select any of the keys and type W, and in that way you'd be able to be redirected to the key starting with letter W. You need to select on Windows NT, double tap to it, and proceed with current version. Double tap once again. And in this manner, you need to proceed with Windows. Double tap once again. Okay. And here, you need to proceed with Windows. And at the center of that, you can see there legacy default printer mode. Okay. So this is a very important value. Okay. And under the data of that, you need to set it into one. Okay. So how? So all you need to do is you need to do a right click, go and modify, and set the value data into one. Once you have set it, click on OK. And once you have set the value data into one, all you need to do is you need to close all of the keys or all of the paths that we have just opened. Close the window as well and navigate to the start icon and restart your computer again. Once you have restarted it, check if your printer default is keeps on changing still. Okay? So that's it. So if those three steps or three easy methods help you to fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.